subtract 2. God, you are going to not forgive me in a hurry. And what did the calculator give you? 88. And now you do the same thing for 88. You subtract 2. Press execute. Then times your answer by 4. You press execute and you get 344. Now, you were also asked to work out the answer for T2. So here you are putting the 3 at the top and you are dividing the answer by 4 and pressing execute. So you do 3, divide your answer by 4, press execute, and you get 3/4. You then add on 2, press execute, and you get 11/4. And that's what makes it higher level. Now, I'm going to say the same thing I said a few moments ago before I embarrass myself. I have never seen a question like it in any higher level exam. It's never come up. The fact it's in the book, in one little section there, I don't know. It's actually very, very badly written because I misread it the second time. If it does come up, it'll be incredibly well written and you'll be able to follow it easily.
Sir,
Yeah?
how did you get 11/4?
Huh?
How did you get 11/4?
Right, get your calculator out. Get your calculator out. Yeah? So instead of moving forwards to the next number, you're moving backwards. Yeah? So because you're moving backwards, you are using this one here. You with me? So you're moving backwards, so you put the 3 on the right-hand side and then go backwards. Is that making sense? So do 3, divide by 4, press execute, then add on 2, press execute, and what do you get? You get 11/4. Now, if you're worried about it, then you can put it into the top one and you go back and you should end up with 3 again. Yeah? Okay. Right. Now, I will get the next one right straight away. Could you now copy out example 2, please? I'm going to rub out everything that's above and do example 2 at the top of the page. I'm actually going to shrink it down a small bit. Please copy out all of example 2. Is that still readable? Now this is the same as the last example. It is the same as the last example. And again, you don't have to, when you're doing this for a test, when you're doing it for homework, you do not have to do the mapping diagram. The only time you should do the mapping diagram is when it's a CBA to get more marks for setting your work out and showing it in a different way. The only other reason for doing the mapping diagram would be if you're nervous and you're worried about making a mistake, and then at least you're guaranteed 2 marks out of 5 in a test because you put the mapping diagram down. So, you can quite clearly see from this question that you are going backwards. So therefore, you're back to here, and you are going backwards. And because you are going backwards, you are doing the opposite to what's here. So it's -1 and divide, do it a bit bigger than me, by 3. So make sure you do divide by 3. What's the input number? According to the question, it's the last number you had. Now, some of you should do this in your heads. 22 take 1 is 21. 21 divided by 3 is 7. What's the missing number? 7. If you want to use a calculator to do it, feel free. And oh, good God. I needed to have woken up 2 days ago. Right, from the question we've got multiply by 3, add 1. So to get from here to there, it's multiply by 3, add 1. We want to get from there, we want to go backwards. So I just do it again. So if we want to go backwards, we have to draw this. What goes in here is going to be -1. What goes in here is going to be divide by 3. So because we are going backwards, divide by 3, -1. What is the input number we're putting in? We're putting in 22, but we're going backwards, so we put it at the end. So 22 take 1 is 21. 22 take 1 is 21. 21 divided by 3 is 7. Therefore, that's 7. That's it, basically. So what I'm going to do now is set you some questions to do. You probably get most of them done in the lesson, and then we'll come back to it again tomorrow. So, or next lesson, I should say. Exercise 18.1, page 414. Question number 1, all national school, I'm afraid. Do apologise for this. Part 1, Part 3, Part 5. Question number 2, the same things. Part 1, Part 3, Part 5. I'm going to cut this down. Question number 3. Yeah, it's a different question. Part 1, Part 3, Part 5. Question number 4. Can you, for question number 4, write it in table form, NTN? Yes? And I'll show you what I mean in a few minutes. 4, Part 1, Part 3. I don't want basic national school stuff. I want it done by... no. Part 1, just use national school. Part 2, question 2, just continuate thing, national school. Part 3, national school method. Part 4, I want you to do higher level. So for part 4, part 1, what do I want you to do? I want you to write N, Tn, 1, 2, 3, and then here it's 3, 6, 9, 12, put a 4 there. This is part 1, by the way. That's going to be plus 3, isn't it? Plus 3, plus 3. And what do I want you to do? Common, difference is 3, therefore linear. Okay, therefore linear. Yeah?
If the national school is writing it in a line.
Yeah, no different from what you did in national school. Yeah? So I'm not going to waste your time doing... So 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. They want the next one, don't they? So you write out all of those, and then you write 13, 15. Yeah? Now, please write out for part 1, the originals, and then write the next 4. No working out, no explanation, pure national school. And then mark it. So write out the original numbers they give you and then extend it by the 4. Only when you get to question 4 do I want you to set it out in table form. Now, since I